Pause. The outfit isn't giving, and it's not helping me feel motivated. We love the Christmas fit, you know, it's cute, but the girl's getting hot. So I'm gonna change my clothes real quick, and we will be right back. Okay, much better. I just love this shirt, and it's perfect for today. Don't give up on yourselves. We're gonna take this down. It's gone. Fire!
I be so sick of you niggas that contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can keep no conflict with you, what can we just rub it out? I don't want no sex with you.
These ribbons are also going. Just look. It's not even needed. It no longer exists in this corner. So, they're going on.
Like this, what I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your rider, you meant to handle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with you. Now I'm at your solid treat. That means no permission, no missionary getting boring. You switch positions. Hard to say your song, you don't ever listen, no. I've been down, baby. Heavy reminiscing. Heavy on the missing. You wish it was bigger than what it was. I've been down, baby. Lost in the night. Lost in no finding us. Wonder if I hate you. I do. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you.
The
It's cute. I like it. We're gonna add some sparkle on things and just make it a cute aesthetic and very fun and very fun. Let's do that. Okay, so this is how the front of the agenda is looking for January. I love it. I'm glad that I chose the disco ball, kind of like the ball dropping. Goes with the theme. I'm gonna be honest, my mood has been very in and out. So if you see me become very in and out, that is why. Or if I haven't talked as much, that is why. I'm trying to push past it and just get into a better mindset. A little bit for January. I still have all of next week, but I'd rather start it now. Now I'm going to put maybe some important dates on my big calendar. And then I'm going back to my old ways of my budget tracker. So you know when I drew it in the small little book, I'm going back to that. Just because my other agenda is finally gone. I no longer use it. We're in December. I honestly haven't even touched it since October. So yeah, and it was just easier to just stick to two. I have the other one for like the stickers and memories because I did the daily highlights, which I'm going to now do in this one. So we're just going back to the old ways. I just have an additional agenda. The budget tracker on a little booklet. I have a whole new one for it. So I just liked that one that way. I kept track with it actually. And yeah, it was just smoother for me to understand and go back to. So that's what we're about to get into. After I put some important dates, I'm gonna sketch out my little diagram for January.